Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside Google Maps, open the app and tap your profile icon at the top right. Once done, choose Settings. This moves you into app-level preferences. You want the entry labeled Distance Units or Units of Measurement. It may be nested under Navigation or Map Display. Tap that option now so you can switch units. Make sure your app is up to date, because older versions sometimes hide this control. If it's missing, update from Google Play before continuing. Now that you're in units, you'll see choices like automatic, miles, and kilometers. Tap kilometers to force km display. You do this to override regional defaults or to match local signage. The app converts route distances, ETA calculations, and distance markers to km. Once you tap kilometers, the change usually applies instantly across search results and active navigation. If you used automatic, the app might still follow locale settings, so explicitly selecting kilometers avoids surprises. Finish by verifying. Start a route or glance at the map scale to confirm distances show in km. If anything still reads in miles, force close Google Maps and reopen. Sometimes the UI needs a refresh. If that doesn't help, clear the app cache or install the latest Google Maps update from Play Store, then reboot your device. If problems persist, check Android system language or region settings. Those can override automatic unit choices and keep miles visible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.